Hello there, lovely people. I'm so excited to be back on your screens once again. This is Elizabeth Stilson. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and be a part of the Stilson family. So on our menu today, we have grilled tilapia. Yes, grilled tilapia. The all-time Ghanaian favorite grilled tilapia. So right in front of me here, I have my tilapia. It's fresh. And I've already cleaned it up and made my incisions, as you can see. Alright, so let me take you through my ingredients for this recipe. So right here we have our onion, and here we have vegetable oil. Here we have our ginger, garlic, pepper, and here we have our mixed spices. Okay, here we have aniseed and 1 Maggie cube. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by blending all our spices together. So that's the onions, I've cut them into pieces, and this is the ginger, garlic, and pepper. Our mixed spices, our aniseed, Maggie cube, and then our vegetable oil. Guys, so it's the next day and I'm ready to grill my tilapia. Okay, our tilapia is ready to be grilled. Guys, so I'm using my rack with some vegetable oil to make sure that the tilapia doesn't stick on it. Okay, and I've lined my tray with some foil for easy cleaning afterwards. Okay. So now I'm gonna gently place my tilapia on my rack, and then we'll head for the oven. So I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna grill our tilapia for 30 minutes on one side before we flip it over. Okay guys, so at this point I've flipped over my tilapia I had to do this off camera because trust me, sometimes it's a struggle. But you can do this. Just take your time and flip it over so you don't, tear it apart. And let me show you one of my secret ingredients. Okay, so at this point, I take just a little shitor, okay, black pepper, and I brush it on all of my tilapia, okay. Now this is a secret ingredient. This will make your tilapia even more yummy. Try this recipe, you will not forget, you will not regret it, okay. So you brush it on your tilapia all over, okay. This will make it even more yummy. Even more yummy. Alright. So it's been about 30 minutes, no, 35 minutes rather. I took 35 minutes before I flipped it over. So I'm gonna put it back in for another, say, 20 minutes. Let's see what happens then. Alright. Yep. So it's been about 20 more minutes and voila. Just look at that. It's so moist, so beautifully grilled. Charlie, try this recipe at home. The entire family will enjoy this. The kids, they love it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you'll be the first to get my next recipe. Try this recipe and let me know your experiences in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I love you. Bye.